Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download VirtualBox on your PC, I mean on your Windows. It can be Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 8 also. It doesn't matter. Okay, it will be same for every Windows operating system. So first of all, let's talk about VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a open source software. In this software you can install other operating system like Kali Linux and Windows. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, go to your favorite Opera browser. Now write down here VirtualBox. Now find out here virtualbox.org. Go to this site for downloading VirtualBox software. Here you can see. Now just click on downloads. Now you will get options: Windows host, OS X host, Linux distribution. So we are going to download for Windows, so click on Windows. It can be Windows 7, it can be Windows 8, or it can be Windows 10, whatever. Okay, so I have already downloaded this VirtualBox file, so I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so after downloading the VirtualBox file, just it's time to install the VirtualBox. Now go to the download file. Here it is. Now open it. Now click on run. Now Oracle VirtualBox is going to ready for installing. It will take some time, have some patience. Okay, here you can see, click on next. Now here is now you can change your location if you want. I'm going to change location. Okay, here. Okay, click on OK. Next. Now VirtualBox is going to installing. This may take several minutes, I mean. So it is very easy to install VirtualBox on your PC. Okay. Now here you can see, would you like to install this device software? So just you can click on install, and if you want you can also click on don't install. So I am going to install it. Okay, it's your choice. Now as you can see the VMware VirtualBox icon on your desktop, here it is. As you can see here, installation complete. Now just click on finish. Now VirtualBox is going to open. Here it is. So in this VirtualBox software you can install any kind of operating system like Linux or Windows, whatever what you want. Okay, just by clicking on just here new. For this you have to install the ISO file of that operating system. Okay, so in my next video I will show you how to install Linux operating system on VirtualBox. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day.